How to change landscape to portraits in Capcut. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you like to do is to be on your Capcut. Now the next thing you like to do is to tap on new project. And then guys, you want to import the video that you would like to change from landscape into portrait. Now that you have the landscape video imported, all you want to do is to go to the toolbox menu. It is at the bottom of your screen. You want to scroll over to the side, so tap on aspect ratio. We're going to be tapping on 9:16 to make this video portrait. To remove the extra black space, as you can see, we have some. After changing this video from landscape into portrait, what you need to do is to go again into the toolbox menu. Now you are going to scroll to the side and then you're going to be tapping on background. So for me today, I'm going to be going with blur. And for this, I'm going to also go with the extreme one, which is the last one. This is exactly how you change landscape to portraits in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.